Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, enterprising endeavor of Repair Shop Mechanical Collective of RSP develops sleeper pads for Horstrip Mill. And intense sanitation carried out at OPD of Ispat General Hospital of Cell RSP. Now news in details. The committed employee of Repair Shop Mechanical of Cell Rourkela Steel Plant have successfully developed 4 sets of brass sleeper pads for Horstrip Mill. This enterprising venture has resulted in direct financial saving of rupees 12 lakhs for the company, as a single pair would have cost rupees 3 lakhs if purchased from the market. It may be noted that due to ongoing lockdown for the COVID-19 pandemic, sleeper pad could not be brought from the supplier on time. Non-availability of this sleeper pad used in R1 roller side of HSM would have seriously affected the production in HSM, as spares were not available in the plant. The Repair Shop Mechanical Collective took up the challenge of developing new sleeper pads by salvaging and modifying old rejected sleeper pads of plate mill. A fixture was made to accommodate single sleeper pad to machine elliptical taper bore. Another suitable fixture to hold the pair was designed and made in-house to facilitate setting and machining in lathe and vertical boring machine. Subsequent operations were carried out in horizontal boring machine. It is worth mentioning that these innovative jobs involving a lot of critical machining work could be completed well in time in spite of prevailing trying times. This bears testimony of technical expertise and strong commitment of engineering shops collective. The Public Health Department under the Town Engineering Department in the township of Cell Rourkela Steel Plant has been actively engaged in cleaning and decontamination of public place, including the healthcare facility of RSP, to prevent the spread of COVID-19. On 29th April, intense sanitation was carried out by the Public Health Department in the outpatient department of IGH with disinfectant spray. It may be noted that the Nehru OPD of IGH caters to around 15 lakhs outdoor patients annually. The area comprises different units like ENT, ophthalmology, dental, skin, surgery, medicine, orthopedic, gynecology unit, corridors and sitting place. Care is being taken to sanitize the entire area at frequent interval to keep it clean, safe and disinfected. As per the advisory issued by the central and state government, using of masks and social distancing norms are being strictly adhered in the hospital. Here we come to the end of the news. Namaskar.